You're doing a disservice to the people. You're doing a disservice to the viewers. I'm sorry, I gotta call it out. I gotta call it how it is. It's hot out here. Yo, what up, man? Oh my God, that bug was big. Oh, let me make sure the coast is clear. Oh, wait, we just hit 30K. Hold up, wait a minute. Thank you very much. And if you haven't joined the squad, smash that sub button right now. Thank you very much, baby. 30K and climbing, baby. Let's go, man. Come on, 50K next, 100K after that. You know what I mean? 500, and then we hit the milli. Let's go, the milli. What up, y'all? I'm back, baby. It's been a couple of weeks with this bad boy right here. Whoo, hey, we got the red leather case in. Yo, thank you, Samsung. This is the official leather case from Samsung. If you want to know, I'll put a link down in the description. Ah, smell like butter, baby. I love this case. This case is nice, thin, sleek. Also, I showed you a couple other cases from Rhino Shield. If you haven't watched that video, I'm quite disappointed in you. It's the last video I released. You know, if YouTube didn't do their job and let you know I released the video, yo, I put one of them things up, probably not now, probably later in the video, because you got to watch this one. Well, anyways, we back a couple weeks later, and we want to talk about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm giving you a real review. I got, like, real talk. You know, I love all my fellow reviewers and tech creators, but I got some real conversation to have with you about this Galaxy Note 10 Plus, also about the reviews and reviewers and their opinions on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, because I think a lot of us forget we are in a service business. We are here to serve you, the viewer, not just the tech crazy enthusiasts. And I think as reviewers, we get a little lost. We get into thinking that it's about us. I said this before. You get to thinking it's about you and your opinion. Your opinion is nice to be added, but we have to do our due diligence. There are people out there who have been waiting 2 years. You heard me, 2 years for this Note 10. They are Note 8 users, and you're doing them a disservice being a technology snob, because you get a smartphone every single year and you've gotten bored and dull with tech. You look at everything, you see every leak, have perspective. Like, I always got my technology side, but also I have my human real side. I interact with real humans every day. I look at what phones they use. I look at their interaction with their smartphone. You're doing a disservice to the people. You're doing a disservice to the viewers. I'm sorry, I gotta call it out. I gotta call it how it is. Can't just be about you and the way that you feel because you are bored. Put that aside and do the people the service you own. And you can keep it real. If you're on the Galaxy Note 9, is it worth the upgrade from the Note 10? I've seen some people in my comments say they upgraded from the 9 and they love it. Like, that's for you to decide. My job is to lay down what this thing offers and you make the decision. I give a little bit of my opinion, all the real facts about this smartphone and how it's seen from the majority, as a tech enthusiast, but also as a general consumer. Now, back to reality, because a lot of people have lost that reality, and I gotta bring them back to earth. All right, man, that's enough about that, man. I'm sorry you're laying the smack down on these jabronis out here, you know what I'm saying? Had to go into, yeah. Let's talk about this, because that's what you're here for. It's a lot of you guys are considering getting the Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. I can only speak from the Note 10 Plus perspective, because I used the Note 10 for, I just held it in the hand, looked at it. Hey man, the screen looked beautiful. That's what I can tell you. If you're worried about that, going to 1080 and you want 1440, yo, 1440 is always nicer. But here's a fun note. When you buy a Note 10 Plus, if you don't go into the settings, if you're not a tech nerd, this is for my average consumers out there, you don't go into the settings and switch it to Quad HD screen, you're only getting 1080p resolution anyway. So you thinking you bought the Boss Hog, you're getting 1440. Not unless you change that setting. So that's a tip. If you really want to get the 1440, go into your settings and change that feature. Where do I start? This is a Note device. This is the Galaxy Note. This is the creme de la creme that Samsung offers. They offer it every year, and every year it is my favorite smartphone for the majority, because you're getting the S Pen, the latest that Samsung has to offer technology-wise, camera tech, and all of that and so forth. I got the Aura Glow color, you know what I'm saying? Let blind you real quick, let me bam. I'm sorry, player, but that's what this is for. So, you know, you got the haters out there, they talking that, you just turn to the side, get the sun, and just bam, get them right in their eyes, player. You know what I'm saying? What do I love about the Note 10 Plus compared to older Note devices, or just anybody? You might be coming from a Note, you may not have never had a Note. I told you before, it's the design. How slim and how light this smartphone is speaks volumes to me, and I guarantee it will speak volumes to all of the consumers out there. All of my reviews and all of my point of views are from user experience. How is this phone when I use it? Not from a technology snob base that I'm looking down on this because of quote unquote iterative updates. Like I said, average consumers, 2-year wait, maybe even a 3-year wait. They are excited about this smartphone. Do not stomp on their glory. I want all of you that are excited, you know what I'm saying? All of the Samsung Knights, all of the regular consumers, everybody that loves smartphones, and you hype because you about to get this phone. If someone squatted on your parade, come here to CJ Knows Tech because I'm gonna uplift you and I'm gonna tell you the real. Great phone. Let me address, in the past, on my days after review, I was complaining about the screenshot because you gotta hit these 2 buttons, which is ridiculous, but there's a gesture out there where you just literally swipe your palm across and bam, screenshot. That's the easy way to take a screenshot. You know what I mean? I'm sorry, I didn't know that. I should have known that, but you guys informed me. I'm thankful everybody that left that message over and over. I know you don't read the other comments when you go to leave yours, but it's all good. Just told every single person thank you, or I hearted their comment because I appreciate you looking out and giving me that gesture. So now we all know. Well, maybe we all don't know, so I'm gonna say it again. Samsung has the best display, the best screen. So if you are a person who consumes a lot of content, you watch videos, you look at photos, you do creative things that require a beautiful display to look at, or you just like watching, you know, CJ Knows Tech on your phone, you know, because I do the 2-to-1, my videos pop up wide. Right now, turn your phone to the side, watch how wide the video pops up. You don't have to stretch it. We in there. This is the best viewing experience. Awesome speakers, awesome screen. That is awesome. And I know a lot of people consume visual media. All of y'all watching this right now on the smartphone. So if I'm gonna recommend a smartphone for watching media this looks just even more awesome than the typical smartphone out there, I can tell you this one. There's other smartphones out there that look great or maybe just as great. You got the S10 Plus. If you don't want all the bells and whistles of the Note, go grab you one of those. You got other brands, but hey, this video is about Samsung. Hey, look, man, I'm just having fun out here. Anyways, we're not gonna bring the technology community here, except for the people that want to be here and be entertained with truthful fact. The camera, I said it before, the rear camera, amazing. The ultra wide, let me get an ultra wide photo of y'all real quick, you know what I'm saying? You know, double tap the side button, turn that bad boy on. Oh, I didn't get it, let me get it. Oh, let me go ultra wide, oh my goodness. Oh, let me get an ultra wide of myself. Cause you know, I know I'm gonna be in the photo cause it's ultra wide, player, pow. I might look crazy, let me get raise the eyebrow for the jabronis. Yeah, there it is, bad. Oh yeah, you probably can't see it, I'll put it up on the screen. Rear cameras, absolutely love. Front camera, I've seen better. So when you've used a better front camera, I can't give praises to this front camera, but it is doable, 100%. I'm gonna post an IG story. Y'all not following me on IG, man? Come on, man. CJ Knows Tech, at CJ Knows Tech, man. I be on there. You know, I'm gonna post an IG story right now. Hold on, let's do it live right here so y'all know I'm for real. Wait, hold on. Oh, I'm tripping, man. I'm over here trying to do Face ID. Wrong phone, CJ. I'm sorry, man. I use 2 phones, man. I be on iOS, I be on Android. I can't even see I gotta do my pen. That's another thing. This fingerprint, in-glass fingerprint sensor. It's good if you learn how to hit it the right way. It's not always 100% fast, not always 100% accurate, but it works. We're shooting 90%, I'd say, 90% on this one. So let me hit this IG story right now, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can see it. It's hot out here, play. I'm recording a video right now. If y'all watch my video and you came and subscribed, or I mean not subscribe, but you know what I mean, you follow me here on IG, yo, welcome, player. It's Note 10 Plus season. And this is the front camera that I was talking about. Like I said, it's usable, okay? All right, man, anyways, we going, it's not the best, but it is usable. All right, y'all, peace, man. Hey, yo, thanks for coming to IG, you know, from the video, yeah. Another thing, player, like me, I get hype about tech. I like tech. I look forward to where it's going to go. That's why I have this enthusiasm, I have this lightheartedness, also I have optimism. I live life in an optimistic way, baby. That's why I'm out here having fun, enjoying reviewing this. I enjoy what I do right here. I don't know about some of the other people, so if you got a reviewer that told you something, they was somber and so forth, come here, man. Come here, player. You don't need that in your life. Like I said, camera, rear camera, amazing. Ultra wide, amazing. Front camera, standard. That's how we'll put it. What else do you do on the smartphone? If you use the S Pen, if you never experienced the S Pen, I advise you to at least experience the S Pen at least one time. You know, if you don't want to, if you don't want it, that's fine. If you don't think you're gonna use it, that's fine. If you use it and you find it useful in it, you're welcome. If it came by my recommendation. But I love the S Pen, I love jotting notes. That's why it's called the Note, because you can pull this bad boy out right now and just write a note. I love that feature, it's great. I will say this, when it comes to Samsung phones and updates, for those who do care, and even for those who may not know, the latest Android updates are delayed on Samsung in comparison to like Pixels. Like my Pixel 3a and Pixel 3 all have the brand new Android 10, which has dark mode in it. But it's okay because Samsung will give you a lot of those features in upcoming updates on their user interface. This One UI is legit. It's smooth, it's clean. Clean enough to the point where I'm not tempted to where I gotta run out and go get Nova Launcher. I used to in the past always put Nova launchers on all of my Samsung phones and Android phones for that matter, because it's one of my favorite launchers. I still like it to this day. But One UI is an experience to the point where I'm not like running off to change my launcher. That's something to say about Samsung's One UI. Some people love it, some people hate it, is what it is. It's hot out here, a player baking. So if I'm glistening and I'm shining and that sun just beaming right here, you know what I'm saying? I do it for you. I don't know for how long though. I'm sweating. Another thing you might think about speed when you use your phone, if you're into speed. Fast, it's snappy, but it's still early. You get a lot of RAM on this bad boy. So the RAM and the amount of internal storage, not to mention that you get to add a micro SD if you get the Note 10 Plus, which means you can expand this bad boy up to 1 terabyte. Space isn't even an issue. I have not seen this thing slow down, but I remember on the last version, the Note 9, we had awesome performance all the way through. I see a lot of you Note 9 comments saying how great your Note 9 still is and you're not feeling, you know, push to grab the Note 10, which is a great thing. That's a great thing. That means the Samsung is doing well with their smartphone. So if you choose to get this Note 10, you can feel safe that you can go through the Note 11 release, possibly. We never know what they might give us, and survive into the Note 12 or whatever, you know, cycle you're on and feel confident in the smartphone that you own. Yeah, we get caught up in the rat race. We all want the latest and the greatest. I'll keep it a buck. I use a lot of smartphones, you know what I'm saying? Whatever the latest and greatest, I grab it, but I do it for you guys. Whatever's coming out, not every single thing, because, you know, player ain't got it like that. You know how it works is, you know, you gotta, you know, you make a request from the savings and then take like 2 to 3 days, and by the time the phone really, yeah, like that, yeah. Basically, I just want to tell you, this is a great smartphone. If you made the decision, if you're thinking about the decision, you've made a great decision. I just want you to know that. You won't be steered wrong. You're gonna love this smartphone. Granted, if you're switching from iPhone, there are some things you gotta get used to coming to the Android platform. If you're making a switch from Apple into Android, there's gonna become this wow factor of so many things you can do, all of these features, but it can become overwhelming. There's a lot that you have to do. You gotta, you know, do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You customize this, you customize that. Whereas, you know, the other platform on iPhones is kind of like, here, this is what you get, get used to it, use it, and that is that. So that's one of the beauties when you come to Android. It's very open, it's free, you get the multitasking. I could pull a YouTube video to a picture-in-picture square while I go do something on Twitter or Instagram. I absolutely love that. It makes the most sense for a creator or somebody who's into social media heavy. Come on, man, you can still watch my video, keep your eyes on me, listen or whatever, and go to Twitter or go to IG right now and follow me. You know, you can do the same for Twitter. So go ahead, put me in picture. Go ahead, hit follow on Twitter. Okay, good, thank you. Now go to IG, hit follow, good, thank you. Now maximize this and stay here on YouTube, play and watch a couple more videos. That's the best way to support me without coming out of pocket. You know, I don't ask for much from you guys. I just hope that you enjoy what I do and what I do here. So I just wanted to come here. My main reason for coming here was to tell you this is a great smartphone. If you want it, get it. Also to make you aware that there are a lot of jaded people in the tech review community at this point. You know, unfortunately, I gotta call you out because you guys are becoming jaded because you're technology snobs. As you know, a tech snob isn't the worst thing to be. You know what I mean? I'm a tech snob in some areas as well, but you know, you gotta pull the blinders from in front of your eyes. Don't be so tunnel vision and just be more wide, open-minded and consider everyone and not just you. That's basically the nugget I had to drop here today. Get the Note 10, baby. The Note 10 Plus, you know what I mean? I love it, and enjoy it. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative, player, and I'm about to go, yeah, get it. I'm done with this heat, man. I've been recording for literally 18 minutes. I've been talking to y'all. You know, y'all don't know what I go through to do this, but I love it, man. So I'm not even complaining. Thank you for all your support.